Hi everybody, it's the 7th of November. We're at a luxury car dealership. We're actually in the back at the wash bay in the detail section. We're servicing this, I think it's a Range Rover. We're servicing this Range Rover for a level 3 tobacco. Yep, Range Rover, there it is. Back here because they don't want anything done on the front line. So what we're going to do, and I am the king of Range Rovers and Land Rovers. I service tons of them, big vehicles. We're going to service the complete headliner, the seats, the carpeting, the mats. We're going to figure out whether this is air-cooled seats. So we're going to have to go through the display. But we're starting the vehicle because I want to smell the air conditioning. Good morning. And I'm smelling the ACs coming on automatically. And yeah, we need to service this. Again, this is a loaner, so people are smoking in it. So what we're going to do, I'm going to turn that off so we don't have that seatbelt warning. We're going to service all the hard plastics. The visors, the headliner, really well. The seats, and again, we'll figure out whether they're air-cooled or not. Inside all the little cubby holes here, and obviously the hatchback. And then for our second step process, we're going to service the AC to make sure it smells fresh and clean. All right, once again, it looks good, it smells bad. Service in a luxury vehicle, and we service any make, any model. We look forward to earning your business as well. Thanks for viewing.